this is the explanation of the conversion of galvanometer into a voltmeter. You all know very well that a voltmeter is a device which is used to find out the potential difference across the 2 points of the circuit. So a galvanometer is used as a voltmeter to measure voltage across any circuit element. Okay, so it must be connected in parallel with that element. You all know very well that the voltmeter always connected in parallel with the circuit. So when it is connected in parallel with the circuit, it must draw a very small current. So if a very small current flows through the voltmeter, then voltage required to be measured will that decrease. So it must draw very small current, otherwise a very large current will flow, being a large resistance, so the voltage required between the 2 points will decrease. So for this, what we have to do, we have to increase the resistance of the galvanometer. That's why when it is converted into voltmeter, a very small current, negligible current should flow through the voltmeter. Okay, so for this, a large resistance capital R is connected in series with the galvanometer. So this is the resistance, high resistance R, which is connected in series with the galvanometer. Now when you have connected this, then voltmeter is converted into the high resistance galvanometer, or you can say the high resistance galvanometer is converted into the voltmeter. Now in this condition, the current I, that is Ig, that is the total current flowing in the galvanometer, the same current is flowing in the resistance R also. So you have to find out the potential difference between the point A and B, and that is V. So how you will get? See, capital G is what? Galvanometer resistance. Ig is what? The current flowing in the galvanometer through due to which it gives the full scale deflection. So due to this current, the galvanometer gives full scale deflection. 0 to V, it is the required range of the voltmeter. If you want the range of the voltmeter, that it should measure the current, measure the potential difference from 0 to 5 volt. So you have to give the range 0 to 5 volt, means maximum range, maximum voltage this galvanometer should measure, that is 5 volt. Okay, so this is the required range. Now capital R, high resistance in series. So first of all, we will see what is the total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance of the circuit is capital G plus R. So R plus capital G is the total resistance. Now by the Ohm's law, Ig current is flowing in both. So what is Ig? Ig is equal to potential difference upon total resistance. What is potential difference? The potential difference between the points A and B of the circuit, that is V, and divided by total resistance R plus G. This implies that R plus G cross multiplication, R plus G is equal to V upon Ig. So R will be equal to V upon Ig. Take capital G over here, so minus capital G. Now this is the formula we have got to find out the value of high resistance that should be connected in the galvanometer with the galvanometer to convert it into the desired range of the voltmeter. And now when you will calculate the total resistance of the circuit, it should be RV, R plus capital G. So R plus capital G should be greater than capital G, so that it can, so that a very negligible amount of current should flow through it, and it can measure the required range of the voltage across the 2 points in the circuit.